how to increase the recording quality in OBS Studio. So if you're recording your screen and your video footage is in low quality, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and improve this. Now what you need to do is click on settings in the bottom right hand side and then click on video from the left navigation. For the base canvas resolution, make sure this is set to 920 by 1080. If you have a bigger monitor, then you can just go and set it to your monitor size. For the output scale resolution, also make sure this is set to 920 by 1080, and this will ensure that our video is in HD. For the FPS, set this to 60 and then press apply. You can then click on output from the left hand side. Click on the drop down next to output mode and select advanced. Now click on the recording tab. For the recording format, go and set this to fragmented MP4. For the video encoder, if you have a dedicated graphics card on your computer, you can go and set this to NVIDIA H.264. Otherwise, you can select X264. Now scroll down to the encoder settings, and this is where we can adjust the quality. Now for the rate control, set this to constant bitrate. Now typically the higher the bitrate, the better the video quality. The more you increase this, this is also going to increase the video size. I'd recommend starting with 10,000, and if you still need to increase the quality, you can always go and increase this to 14,000. Now you can also click on the drop down next to preset, and this is also where we can improve the quality. Now typically I like to leave mine at good quality, which is P5, but if you want even better quality, you can always increase this to P6 or P7. I'd recommend just sticking with P5, and once you've done that, just go and press apply and OK, and that should give you the best recording quality on OBS Studio.